Hello from sunny California. We are doing a fun travel vlog today. I'm currently in Anaheim by Disney and I wanted to do a little vlog because we are going to be going to Disneyland tomorrow for a fun Disney Channel Nite event, the first ever, which will be really fun. So me and my friend Christine just saw that they were going to do this event and we're like, let's go, let's just do it and see what it's all about, because yeah, we love to try anything new Disney wise. We're on it, so I'm really excited. We're also going to be going to Universal the following day, so it's a quick trip, just here Monday, leaving on Thursday. And I got in actually pretty early. It's about noon right now. My friend Christine is on her way, so she should be getting here. And I'm so excited to be near a Disney park again. So I'm actually staying really close to Disneyland. When I come to Disneyland, I don't really stay at the Disney hotels because, I don't know, I feel like I do that at Disney World because they have more options, but I just feel like at Disneyland they're a lot more expensive. But I always like to stay at the Howard Johnson Hotel. I stayed here last time when I went. That was a couple years ago. Really loved it. And they did some recent room renovations in one of their buildings. So we're kind of testing this one out and I'm really excited. This hotel is literally across from the parks. I can see the Matterhorn from the hotel and it's like a pretty quick walk to Disneyland. So I really like staying here. I'm gonna show you guys the room. It is really spacious. Last time we had a double room in building 1 and I thought that was a great room, but I guess this one is more of their updated ones. This is their 2 queen deluxe room. Like I said, it's very spacious. This is how it looks from the door. We got a nice full-length mirror here. This is our early morning travel attire. The weather here is like upper 60s, possibly some rain this week, so I brought sweatshirts, which is unusual I think for California, but I really didn't know what to pack. It looks like we got a little closet here too. Lots of space. Here's the beds, a nice desk and dressers. There's a fridge here, TV, and of course the bathroom. Let's see. Oh, we got a nice double sink in here, automatic lights. A lot of their theming is very like blues and teals. And this, oh my gosh, huge mirror. Wow, this is one of the biggest mirrors ever. That'll be nice for getting ready. Me and Christine can both have our own room where we're gonna put all of our makeup. And then we do have a nice view of the pool area too, which no one is at currently. I feel bad for the lifeguards, but it's like, I don't know, it's upper 60s, so I think this is cold for people in California. But I would totally go to the pool. Here's some like little Disney kind of themed, this looks like a little theme park. And then we do have a nice little Mickey painting too. But yeah, I love all the fun color. There's another Mickey painting there. If you guys do want to check this hotel out, if you're planning to come to Disneyland, if you live in California, if you're looking for like a little staycation, I do have a link where I think you guys can get a little discount too. So I'm gonna have all that information in the description box so you guys can save a little money. But yeah, we absolutely love staying here. And even though I do love a good actual Disney resort, I mean, this is kind of fun where I can like walk to the Disney resorts and just like check it out inside without paying like $600. While I'm waiting for Christine, I think I might like freshen up a little bit, put some makeup on, and we could go walk over and see what we can find for lunch. What's nice about the Disneyland area is they have a close downtown Disney, which is much smaller than like the Orlando downtown Disney, where they do have a few restaurants and some shops, so we can always walk over there. There's like really cute cafe nearby here too that's like walkable. I think it's called Mimi's Cafe. So lots of options. Yeah, we might just have to explore downtown Disney today, but maybe we could see if we can get park tickets too. So I think I'm gonna freshen up, put my contacts in, put a little makeup on, and I'll vlog when Christine gets here. All right, Christine's here. We quickly got some makeup on and walked over to the downtown Disney. We were hoping they would have some tickets so that we could go to California Adventure, but it looks like they're sold out for today. But maybe tomorrow we can stop, because we have no plans tomorrow. But for now, I think we're really hungry for some lunch, so we're gonna go see what we can find here. That sounds good. Christine needs to find a shirt. for her outfit for tomorrow. So the World of Disney store is right up here, and they usually have some really good stuff. So we're just gonna shop around and see what we can find. All right, we're in the World of Disney store. You guys know I love checking out all the merch, and I saw that they had so many cute Star Wars things. I love that lounge fly. This is such a cute little R2-D2 backpack. Oh my goodness. They even have some ears. Like literally everything here is new. I haven't seen any of this stuff, and it's all super cute. They have a ton of new Grogu stuff that I haven't seen. Oh my goodness. Let's see, I'm here to see the kid. So cute. That's super soft too. And then this backpack, adorable. I also really like this shirt. It just says "May the Force be with you," but it has like kind of this puffy bubble letter. Oh, this is a really fun purse too. And then this Spirit jersey is adorable. Like, how cute is that? Oh my goodness. I feel like I need it. They have this whole Disney Eats section, which is kind of fun. I feel like, I don't know if it's the bags or the ears that were supposed to be scratch and sniff, or maybe it was the Spirit jerseys, but now they came out with this whole like snack collection. And then all of this stuff, oh my goodness, they have little donut ears and churro ears. Like, how fun is that? Another little snack item. They have a fun little macaroon backpack as well. Has Minnie on it and tons of little macaroons. That is adorable. They have so many just like unique items, I feel like. All the munchling stuff as well. These are fun. Oh my goodness, this poo pillow. I love that. These are fun, these little mugs. Look at the Lotso. I was seeing if there's any new ears that I need to get. I didn't bring any with me this trip just because it doesn't really go with my outfit for Tuesday. But I don't know if I really see any ears that I really love right now. It's a lot of the kind of the same ones. Like I remember these when I went on the cruise. These purple ones are really pretty though with the sequins. These are kind of fun too. It has a bunch of the different Mickey and Friends characters on the different rides. That's kind of fun. They have some belt bags too. This is the California Adventure one. I'm sure we'll see some more of those here since the belt bags have been super popular. Oh, how cute. They had that matching Spirit jersey. It has Mickey and Friends and then Mickey and Minnie in the teacups. How cute. Okay, I wish I had these ears yesterday. They're cute little Sully ears. But my niece just had her birthday party yesterday and it was Monsters Inc. themed. It was so cute. And yeah, I didn't have an outfit, but my husband did dress up as Sully for the party. But these would have been perfect. I think I'm definitely getting this. They had a Lizzie McGuire cup. I mean, come on. That's my outfit for tomorrow, so I feel like I need to get this. That is so cute. I've never seen Lizzie McGuire merch here. They have so many cute ones. Oh my gosh, this one's like heavy. It has water on the outside. And then, look at this flower water bottle. Oh my gosh. Yeah, their spring stuff right now is so adorable. We're also getting on the glass cup trend too. We have the Daisy and then the Donald. Alright, so we decided to come to Tortilla Joe's here in downtown Disney for lunch. Trying to decide what I want from here. They have a pretty large menu. But yeah, I'm excited to try this one. I haven't had this one before. I think last time we came we ate at the Italian place called Naples and that was pretty good. So I'm excited. Alright, so I got some carnitas, tacos. We did get a guacamole for the table too that they made and it was really good. We just got it mild and have been having it with some chips. But yeah, I'm excited. I'm so hungry and this looks so good. So I think we're about done at downtown Disney. I did get some express beignets that they had right next to the Jazz Kitchen restaurant. So we got the bananas Foster and just the powdered sugar ones. So excited. I think I'm just going to bring these back to the hotel and eat them for like a late dessert and just probably pop them in like the microwave. But yeah, I'm excited to try these. So we came over here to the newest hotel at Disneyland. This is the Pixar, is it Palace? Place. This is the Pixar Place Hotel. I think it's open. I know they just like recently had some events and stuff, so I wanted to go check it out and see how it looks inside since it's new. It actually is really cute. Like they have the little Pixar ball lights here. And how cute is the entrance? It has the Pixar lamp.
Nemo's up there.
Oh my gosh. So cute. I feel like this is one of their most themed hotels here. This is cute.
Wow.
Yes, there's Sully and Mike. Finding Nemo, Buzz Lightyear. Oh my goodness. And here's the inside. Yeah, this is very, very themed. I love it. And look at all the fun lighting. Oh my goodness. They have Bing Bong here doing photos. How fun is that? Hey guys, good morning. It's the next day. We went to bed like super early last night because we didn't really sleep much the night before with our flights and stuff. So we decided to go find a cute little coffee shop and then we're gonna stop at Target, I think, to grab a couple things. It's gonna be really cold tomorrow, so I feel like I need a jacket or something to wear to Universal. But I'm gonna go grab my coffee real quick. Alright, I just got my coffee. So we went to Tierra Mia. This had some really good reviews. In the drive-thru line, the outside is like insane. So it must be really good. I'm excited. Oh, that's really good. I got the dulce de leche latte. Yum. It's really sweet, just how I like it. Super good. So great start to the morning. Made it back to the room just for a little bit of a break before our next activity. We did stop at Target. I tried to find if I could find some sort of jacket or something to wear to Universal tomorrow, but I didn't really see anything. So honestly, I might just have to wear this again. And I really wanted to find like a cute sweatshirt at like the Harry Potter part of Universal, like a Hufflepuff one. I saw someone wearing a really cute one when I was at Disney Spring, or not Disney Spring, it's called Downtown Disney here, yesterday. So I might try to do that because yeah, it's gonna be cold tomorrow, rainy, which sucks because I don't think you can like switch your Universal days, so we're kind of stuck tomorrow. And we're just gonna hope that the rain maybe comes in the later afternoon because I think we're gonna try and get to Universal early. We bought like the hour early entry for the Super Mario World because I really want to do that, and I really want to try and get a reservation at Toadstool Cafe because this food there, like, it looks so cute, like very Mario themed. And I know they have a ride there too. For our next activities, I don't know why I'm so tired. I probably just need to eat some lunch or something. I think we're gonna head over to Downtown Disney in like an hour or so, find something to eat. I know they have a couple quick bite spots that you could stop in. They had some sandwich shop, Earl of Sandwich. I think I've never had that, and a couple other things too. And then we actually booked, since we had some free time this afternoon, we're gonna go to the spa at Californian, I think is how you say it. Just to get some relaxation in. I mean, you know, Disney's always a lot of walking and it hurts the muscles a little bit. So I think it'll be nice just to have that and just relax a little bit before our big event tonight. I think they have like a nice relaxation room and everything, so you can go like 30 minutes before your appointment and like check out what kind of amenities they have as well. I know they have like some type of sauna. I think that is closed, but they have like maybe some heated lounging chairs or something like that, and like different showers that you can do. So I think I'm just gonna take a nice hot shower, get a massage, and then we'll head back to get ready for the Disney Channel Nite tonight. So I'm so excited to see how that's going to go. All right, we're walking to some lunch. As you can see, here's our hotel, and you can see the Matterhorn there, and here comes the monorail as well. But yeah, it's a very quick walk to the parks from here. There's our hotel here in the background, and we basically just followed this straight for a little bit, and then that's how you get to Downtown Disney and the parks also. So we're gonna find some food and then head over to the Grand Californian Hotel for our little spa afternoon. All right, we just got to Earl of Sandwich and ordered. It came out really fast. I just got their club sandwich, you know, bacon, tomato, lettuce, all that. It looks really good. Christine, what'd you get?
I got the Chipotle chicken.
Yummy. So yeah, I'm just gonna enjoy some lunch outside. This is the view. Lots of people out and about, and it actually is a little nicer out too. Alright, so we just got done at the spa. We've been just kind of sitting, relaxing for a bit. I had a few minutes to myself while Christine was finishing up her service. It's so good. I love the Disney spas. This one was very similar to the one that me and Christine did at Alani. It just makes it like such a good experience. They don't have like any jacuzzis or anything, but they have the nice relaxation room. They had lots of snacks and they have like a steam room, but really enjoyed it. 10 out of 10. Recommend if you are on Disney vacation to book a little spa day. They have plenty of water everywhere too, so that's nice, and like all this stuff to get ready as well, which is cool. Yeah, definitely check this one out at Grand Californian. It's so relaxing, and now I feel like energized and ready to spend the night at Disney. All right guys, we're dressed and ready for Disney Channel Nite. I think I'm gonna make this a separate vlog for Disney Channel Nite, so I guess I'll end this first vlog here of just our kind of first-ish day here. I did get ready with the Liz McGuire palette. So we went for like a purple and green look, even though it doesn't really match the outfit. This is what I have on. Here's a better look. It just says what dreams are made of. I got this like a few years ago, but it was perfect for this. It has Lizzie with like the little Mickey tank top on, and then it has my initials here, and she has the Mickey hat on. So yeah, it's cute. So that's what we're going for today. Just kind of comfy, and for the weather, we just have leggings and, you know, shoes on. So not going super all out, but I'll see you guys in the next one.